Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Knopf III with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go ahead and go right into the question. Question 31, does the child need help with doing their laundry? So think about this. Does the child understand when the clothing needs to be taken off? Some children won't remove their clothing. Does the child understand where the clothing has to be put into a basket to have it then be taken to put into the laundry? Does the child do their own laundry? Are they incapable of doing their own laundry? Is a child capable of understanding that they have certain clothing that needs to go together and certain clothing that needs to go together? So all the white clothing with the light clothing has to go together, and then all the darker clothing has to go together, etc. So bottom line, does the child understand how to use the soap, the softener, what machine it goes in first? Does it transfer to the other machine? When it transfers to the other machine, do they just leave it in there? Is it not getting done? Do they forget to take it out? Do they forget to move it? Do they forget to do stuff with it? Are they not able to fold it? When they fold it, do they not put it away? When they put it away, do they remember where they put it? All these things super necessary for you to describe how your child has difficulty before the Social Security Administration with the administrative law judge. Attorney Walter Knott, I'll catch you a little bit later, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.